Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming eligibility and collecting the exact details the carrier needs. Check that your account meets the carrier's time and service and balance requirements. Carriers refuse unlocked requests if bills are outstanding. Once done, get the AMA or MAID from settings or by dialing *#06#, and note the account holder's name, account number, billing zip, and any last four ID fields. These steps prevent delays when you submit the official unlock request to the carrier or unlock. Now submit the unlock request through the carrier's online portal, mobile app, or by calling support. Provide the AMA and the exact account information you collected, and upload proof of purchase if the carrier asks. Make sure to agree to any unlock policies they present. Refusal can void the request. After submission, write down the request ID and expected timeline, and watch for confirmation emails or texts. These records let you follow up accurately if the unlock is delayed or denied. When the carrier approves the unlock, follow their exact steps. They may send a code, perform a remote unlock, or instruct a SIM swap. After they confirm, power cycle the phone, insert the new carrier's SIM, and verify calls, texts, and data. If it doesn't work, first recheck the AMA status and that the phone is unlocked in their system, then try another SIM or a factory network reset as instructed. If problems persist, request escalation with the carrier, and keep your request ID handy for complaints.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.